The Commissioner for Works, you have the floor. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, may I be permitted to take advantage of the well-established protocol by surprise. I'm privileged, Your Excellency, today to be part of this history making. I remember 2 months ago, the transitional chairman of this local government paid a courtesy call to my office with some traditional rulers. I promised him that something radical will happen on this road. And I want to thank Your Excellency for making it happen today. Whenever I've had the opportunity of meeting the press, the most important, in fact, the harrowing experience I usually encounter is this Ekemele. What is happening in Ekemele? Something will happen as from today. I want to assure you. And in doing that, we have chosen one of the best contractors to handle it. We are tired of palliatives. We want to have a permanent solution to the problem of this road, over Okigwe Road. Today you have a permanent solution. Moving from Omona, from Amaraku, from all the way down, properly done road. It is on that note that I want to most respectfully invite that contractor, that international contractor, one of the best you can think of, that after the most thorough processing, after the most thorough assessment, that we consider them fit and proper to control this road. The MD of Tempo. May I humbly invite you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Imo State, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor, all other protocols observed. We're just coming from the flag off of Owerri Olu Road, and we're here today also to flag off the Owerri Okigwe, which is a 55-kilometer road. Basically, work has started, the equipment are here, we'll immediately start the work. What we're going to do here is we're going to reconstruct all the failed portions of the road. We're going to start with the most critical and then go to the next one, and then we're going to give a new touch for the whole road, overlaying, touch up and everything, and we're going to make sure we add shoulders to all the road. So it's a quite comprehensive job. We have 18 months to complete, and we've given our word to the governor that we will deliver within the best of speed and the best of standards. Thank you for your trust, and hopefully for the people of the area, if you can cooperate with us, there's lots of work for you, there's lots of employment and everything else. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your Excellency, and ladies and gentlemen, permit me to invite the honorable member representing this local government to appreciate His Excellency. Majority Leader.
Your Excellency, my governor, our leader, a special blessing to the good people of Imo State in a time like this. Your Excellency, my elder brother, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, erudite Professor Placid Njoko, a rare gift to this generation. My direct boss, the Speaker, the number 3 citizen of Imo State, the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Amara Iwanyahu, the SSG of the state, Chief of Staff, all the commissioners here present, my revered colleagues in the hallowed chambers. My name is Uche Obuaga. I represent the good people of Ikedu, primarily. Ikedu of Uno Toram Vodu Semgawae. Aluni le Burunjana Gum Mabayano. On our map when they came in and the Madone Doom. Uche Obuaga Mupanya, idiot, I know him. Today, Amumanya Kamomanya. When we started work, the very first promise the governor made to me was Uche. Okay, that came in minutes. Within 1 year, you will see it no more.
And so immediately I signed it in here. Maybe don't know one row, Ebuze Kemele Lama. Chineke Melabella Nambezuta. Dina Day Abraham Yoga, Opanoma again, Rosa. Because email can you open Angorando line, Shitubu Agawa, Hage, Quentin always Yobu. Oyishana make a lady. Emaila, Chineke Gozeremgi, Chineke Gozeremgi. Amami Hemge, Tikelegi, Nanu Mushi, Kamji, who knows Rasaga Vejigua. And so on behalf of the good people of Ikeduru, Ulumana Governor Horainanya too much. Ilanya, the local government Nile Eba Gohora deputy. Ilanya, the local government Nile Eba Gohora, okay, Eba government Hora majority leader, the governors are support. And we know when the offer lay more the Gamona governor won't know to know. I'll give you so give you a Hawaiian teacher. Biko onye isi anyị na-ekele gị obi dị anyị mma ise ihe ọbụla ị ga-achọ n'aka Ikeduru ị ga-enweta ya mmaji kwuru mmaji n'aha Jizọs. Owerri zone niile kwụ gị n'azụ nwanne m nwoke na-ahụ maka ndị Owerri West Right Honorable ka na-ayọ onye mechi egbe nwanne m nwoke na-ahụ maka ndị Abọmbaise ọwụ eziokwu na ya awụcha ụzọ ke ha mana ama ma ọ ga na-agba ụzọ a now. Ahụla m onye nke ọkaigwe Chidon Ogbunigba onye na-ekwuru ọkaigwe. Ahụla m immediate past speaker Right Honorable Chiji Collins. Ahụla m Amara Iwu Anyanwụ ọ na-agba ụzọ a. Ahụla m spika m n'onwe ya ọnụ Imo ụzọ a ka ọ na-agba onye isi ịtọchiala lives even without knowing it. Ụmụnna fall in love awụ mgbe onye ọ dara daji ụkwụ. Onye isi hụrụ anyị n'anya onye isi anyị na-ekele gị. Biko in my little way biko the number nọ somewhere there. Biko onye isi ka oke m ga-enwetala ịma na awụ m onye ọrụ ọnwa bụ the number gbabara na ezigbo dị mkpa ịhụkwa na ihe ga-ama na ọnwa ezigbo nnama. Onye isi tara m ya God bless you. Emere m ihe a n'aha Owerri zone, emere m ya n'aha Ikeduru. Chineke ga-agọzi gị mgbe ọbụla ị kpọrọ anyị otu ugboro anyị ga-aza gị ugboro 7. Thank you very much and God bless you, sir.
I most humbly invite the speaker, the Right Honorable Speaker, to talk to us. Mr. Speaker.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodimma. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Professor Placid Njoku, the Deputy Speaker, please, all government functionaries and most dignified personalities. I want on behalf of Ndoki Igwe, the road we are talking about is the one traveling from Owerri to Okigwe. It's not only a Kebele. So many places have been very wrong. For so many years, so decades, Your Excellency, I want to say thank you. Not only because you are constructing this road, but because the quality of road you want to construct. The test of the food is in the pudding. We already know the contractor you have chosen to construct this road. And from this constructor, the quality of these constructors, we have already known the road you are going to construct from Owerri to Okigwe. And that will be a very lasting one for the people. Just to serve our people what they have actually wanted of a government. I want to say on behalf of Okigwe, thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you once more, not because of the road, but because of the mind you have in giving us the quality of contractor that will do a quality road. Thank you and God bless you, sir.
Carico, 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 carico,
and gentlemen, may I use this single opportunity to invite His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, to talk to us and invite His Excellency, the Governor, to make a speech. Your Excellency. Ndị Kedụ ndewonu, ndị Ọkigwe n'ebe a ndewonu, ndị ọlụ n'ebe a ndewonu, ndị Imo niile anyị na-ekele unu. Ụbọchị taa ụbọchị dị iche, ụbọchị Chukwu na onwe ya ji aka ya mee. Oge anyị lọtara ibido gọọmenti, His Excellency the Singing Senator Hope Uzodimma, ihe na onye ọbụla n'ọnụ na Ikere nwere Deputy Governor, and therefore na Ekemele na a ga-arụzi ya. Oge ebere rụọ ya ọrụ, almost every week I'm there 2 times from Uweri to Ekemele to come and see how the contractors were performing. Those contractors tried, they couldn't do it. I was disappointed myself. But we continue to discuss it. Muna onye sim, I know we have a Genine, with a report about what is happening at Ekemele. And when I said I got a Guala, we're meeting on Ekemele, Yabia, Watena, Oramiroba. A Duroka. Now, Biahuna, I Janona, Ekemele, Wajojo. Get on Yana Wabe, get on Yana Wabe. Ma onye mụ na ya so arụgo ọrụ, Distinguished Senator Uzodimma, onye na-ana ya na-ele gị otu a, ọ na-ele anya gị na-akarị otu ahụ ebe anyị nọ. Ya hụ na ihe a ga-eji agwọ ọrịa nọ n'Ekemele awụ ihe ndị these local contractors ga-emenwu. Ya mafọ aka je weta a proper contractor that can do that road. So here we are here today. Wo Biawan Ijakaya Biase na the problem of Ekemele is a problem of the past. That within the next 1 year, 1.5 years, nobody will ever remember Ekemele and his problems ever again. And so, Ndi Kedru Nine Neba, Ndi Nine Nabanuzwa, when the problems on this road, with what is happening here today, you can have hope from hope, that there is hope that Ekemele is going to be done for good. And so, oge ruola anyị na-ekele Chukwu maka gọvanọ nyere anyị, gọvanọ ma ihe, gọvanọ mara mma, gọvanọ ahụ awụ hope. Onye na-enweghị hope ole ihe ọwụ, onye na-enweghị hope ọ gịnị hopeless, but onye nwere hope nwere gịnị hope, nwere future, nwere expectation. So ọ ka o ruola nụ ka mkpọta onye isi anyị ka ọ bịakwa anyị okwu otu ọrụ ya n'obi, ya mere na o ji chewe uche this road, Owerri Okigwe Road, ka ọ gwa anyị ihe ọ chọrọ ka eme na ya, gwa anyị maka ndị ga-arụ ya anụ, nye anyị confidence, nye anyị hope na arụcha ake na ụzọ anụ aghọọla gbara gama. Na mokwu onye isi anyị, Your Excellency, most distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma, please speak to your people.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, the Right Honorable Speaker, Imo State House of Assembly, the Deputy Speaker, Imo State House of Assembly, the Leader of the House and other members of Imo State House of Assembly, Honorable Commissioners, Special Advisors, all political appointees, chairmen of interim management committee of the various local governments, His Royal Highnesses, the traditional rulers, very important personalities from Imo State, our grandsons and daughters, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I'm highly delighted this afternoon to be performing this wonderful occasion, the flag off of the construction of Owerri to Okigwe Express Road. This is one of the few economic highways in Imo State. And if our agenda to stimulate the economy of Imo people and bring prosperity to bear, it means that we must create an economic access. And to be able to create economic access, all the economic highways must be restored. So our reconstruction, rehabilitation, and recovery program is active and alive. Today, when I came in by January 15th, as the governor of Imo State, I did not meet one construction contractor of global standard. I did not see the likes of Julius Berger, the likes of Kremborg, the likes of Dumas. Rather, I saw contractors that were either cousins, in-laws, or friends. To that extent, quality construction was thrown to the winds. We want to change the narrative. We want to do something differently. We want to protect our people. I have a commitment. I made promises to you that I have come to serve and that I will serve diligently and proficiently. It is in keeping to those promises that we have started our program. A few months ago, because of the rainy season, we were not able to do many roads in Imo State. But we took the advantage of that to design all major and critical roads, to survey all these roads, and prepare the engineering bill of quantities, so that as soon as construction season starts, we will in earnest start construction. Now the season has started. Kremborg is a world-class construction company. If you go to Lagos, all the major highways are built by Kremborg. If you go to Port Harcourt of late, all the major highways and bridges being constructed by Governor Wike is being done by Kremborg. If you go to Ogun State in Abeokuta, the express road now going to Lagos is being done by Kremborg. The new Anambra Airport being built by Obiano is being built by Kremborg. So this is a world-class company. Their bills may be higher, but at the end of the day, their bills will be cheaper because we must get value for money. We've done this for the interest of our people. The cost of Owerri Olu and Owerri Okigwe is 55 billion naira, out of which we have already paid 15% advance payment. So we have no doubt in our mind that when you walk around Owerri and see me pursuing those who are collecting double salaries, and see me those who are manipulating our payroll, and stop those consultants who are collecting our revenue, the reason is because I want to recover the money to be able to use it to do these roads. So I need your cooperation. I need your cooperation to be able to serve you. The former governments that came, they did things the way they understood. And as a result, some of our people are beginning to believe that negative ways of doing things are now the adopted way of doing things. But on the contrary, I think better be late than late. We must do things the way things are done all over the world. This road, after the construction of this road by Nsambakwe, by Dumais Construction, there have never been any contractor of the standard of Dumais that worked on this road. No wonder the problems on this road have become very stubborn, because you cannot bring a problem from a tertiary institution and look for solution from a primary school. So we need to elevate the road back to where it belongs, and that is why we brought Cranbourne. So I want to assure you, we are going to fund the project 100%. We have paid the advance payment without borrowing money from any bank. I have not come to borrow money in Imo State. All I do, we will try to use what we have to get what we want. So we'll be able to do this road. There is no politics. The road we are doing is not APC road or a PDP road or ABGA road. The road is road for Ndimo. When we get there, we cross the bridge. So I need your cooperation. All the people living on the road, I need you to cooperate with the contractor. Don't come tomorrow and create unnecessary trouble that will make the cost of doing this road double. We've done our geographical survey. We've done our impact assessment report. We've seen that there are little or no encumbrances on the road, and that we need to do this construction within record time. Therefore, government will continue to stand behind the contractor to ensure that nothing disturbs the contractor from delivering on time. So if you plan to disturb the contractor, your plan is to disturb Imo State government. And of course, you know, I will learn how to use government very well. So I want to assure you, my people, we are not going to witch hunt anybody. We are going to serve our people. My promise and the oath of office I took is to serve you. And I will do my best not to relent. I will serve you, and serve you to the best of my ability. And God willing, we shall be all happy. Our word is to bring prosperity. We will bring prosperity. Prosperity is not only when I come and give you money to put in your pocket. Prosperity is when your farm is working, your business is working, police is not harassing you on the road, and you are doing things right, and then you are making profit. Your children are going to school, less headache in the place. That is prosperity. Prosperity is not only when you have 2 billion. You can have 1 million naira and it's prosperity. You can have 500,000 and it is prosperity. Apopulila are all the same size. Everything in life is size by size. One day,